Looking good, feeling good. Woo! Yeah!
Hey everyone, I'm TJ with Team Passin Through. It's July 21st, 2012. We're up here at Bowcast at the Bird. We got the first target on the 46 rail mountain mile boathlon. Today is the second day. These guys made it from the qualifying yesterday to the finals today. On the line, a New Zealand hunt. We've got all 5 hits. First time on target number 1 for us. We judged all day yesterday, never had this. This is heat number 2 for day 2, and we got all breaks. So these guys are motivated. There's something on the line. If you haven't ever seen or been up to Bowcast at the Bird, you need to check it out. So get online, look up Bowcast at the Bird. You can get on Facebook and find them. You can check us out. We're Team Passin Through. But get up here next year and make sure you do this shoot. This is the first year ever that they've done anything like this. You got a mile-long course through the hills of this Snowbird Valley, and 5 targets set up throughout this mile-long course. Athletes got to run to each station, get to the station, and make a shot like this. So we're really super pumped about this event. Definitely get up here next year. This is the first year, first thing of its kind. Anthony Dixon's putting it on with Bowcast. You guys got to check it out. So hopefully we'll see you up here next year, and we'll see you on the mountain.